Hi guys! Today I'm going to share with you a few things that Cricut sent me. But wait, who is Cricut? Cricut is an innovative company that provides tools to make our DIY projects beautiful, fun, and easy. They have some of the best cutting machines out there, and they are finally coming to the Middle East. I've decided to make this channel all about creativity and crafting. They were kind enough to send these beautiful items, and my favorite part of all, and what I'm most excited about, is this little box right here. Now let me show you some of these things. Let's start with this guy right here. So this is an essential tools set. It has multiple items that will get you started in your crafting journey. At the back, you will see that they show you everything in here and what it does. So there's the portable trimmer for quick straight cuts, trimmer replacement blades, the scoring blade, scoring stylus, the weeder, the tweezers, a spatula, scissors, and a scraper. You'll see me in future videos using all of this. They've also sent this gorgeous set, some vinyls, iron-on, Sportflex iron-on, and infusible ink. I have been waiting for this. Let's not forget the little cutie, the lilac one. Also, some Cricut pens. These are not infusible ink. These are the normal Cricut pens for drawing and writing. Now let's check what's in this box. It's a Cricut Joy. What's a Cricut Joy, you ask? Well, let me show you. But first, let's dive into the basics of what is a Cricut machine. So, a Cricut machine is an electronic cutting machine and the ultimate crafting tool that can cut a vast amount of materials. They are operated by an app that can be downloaded on your phones, tablets, or on your computers. The app is called Design Space. You can upload your own images or use designs from Design Space. So the Cricut Joy cuts, writes, and draws for you, so you can bring creativity to practical everyday projects. From organizing your entire home to putting your personal touch on almost everything around the house. And best of all, look how tiny this box is. It's this small. So no craft room, no problem. You can still do all these awesome projects with this tiny but mighty machine. I will be unboxing the Joy and showing you everything that comes in the box. And I will be doing a little project in the next video. So let's unbox this and see the little Joy. Look at this beauty. It's beautiful. So this is the little Cricut Joy, your DIY best friend. I'm sure it will be. I will be unboxing and checking with you guys what's in the box, and we will do a little, small, very cute project in the next video. Until then, stay crafty. Bye!